deep pink. Let's draw a spotted jaguar. First, draw its head. And a muzzle. Good job! Now draw long whiskers. Excellent! And add round ears. Wonderful! Draw spots on Jaguar's head. How beautiful! Now draw its body. First rate. Draw paws for your Jaguar so it can run fast. And 2 more paws. And add spots on its body. Super! Draw a long tail. You did a wonderful job! Amazing Jaguar!
Yeah.